Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. I am super excited to bring you our Omnia oven giveaway. We are doing the 12 Days of Christmas competition. What, you ask, is that? Well, let me tell you. We will be asking 12 trivia questions, all multiple choice with one bonus question. The person who comments on the YouTube short will be eligible to win the Omnia package. What is the Omnia package, you ask? Let me tell you. You will get an Omnia base, a non-stick pan, a colored lid, random, of course, and they have super great colorful colors available. Now, anyone who comments on the 13 trivia questions, whether you're right or whether you're wrong, you will be eligible to enter the contest. Now, if you happen to get the trivia question correct, we will throw in the Omnia thermometer. 2 rules. You must be a Little House of Beans subscriber on YouTube, and you must be a Facebook group subscriber, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Anyone, anywhere in the world is eligible to participate, and if you win, we will cover the shipping costs. However, we will not cover the taxes. All winners will be announced on our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, on January the 1st, New Year's Day.
So to recap, we're going to do 12 different YouTube videos. They'll be shorts. You are going to comment. You could say anything you want on the video, anything you want. But if you happen to answer the trivia question and you're a winner in the drawing, we will throw in the thermometer. Anybody who enters is eligible for this. Anybody who puts a comment on the video. We will announce the winners, all the winners, on January 1st. So all you have to do is comment on each of the videos to be eligible for the drawing. And to be eligible, all you have to do is be a YouTube subscriber and a member of our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. That is it.
Trivia question number 4. What university did I attend for 1 semester? I'll even give you a hint. It's in the southern part of the USA. Here are the choices. Is it Tulane University, University of Miami, University of Alabama, or is it Florida State University? Once again, Tulane University, University of Miami, University of Alabama, or Florida State University. Please comment on this short.